Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes packed with indicators and candlestick patterns built in. Just grab it using the link in the description below. Now let us get into this review. In this video, I am looking at Neurox AI. It's an MT5 expert advisor built by developer Stanislav Tomilov, priced at 499 US dollars to buy or 299 US dollars to rent for a year. It's on version 2.5, last updated in early July 2026. Scrolling into the description, the developer positions this around a multi-module neural network approach rather than one single model making every decision. So, as described on the listing, there are 5 separate models. Okay, we can see the 5 models listed here. Okay, so there are 5 separate models: one detecting whether gold is trending, ranging, or moving impulsively, one generating potential entry signals, one filtering out weak or risky setups, one controlling position size and drawdown exposure, and one checking broker execution conditions like spread, um, you know, and slippage before allowing a trade through. According to the developer, 5 different strategies run simultaneously by default, evaluating gold from different angles, all right, rather than relying on one approach. Okay, so moving down to pricing, the the listing notes that the price increases according to what we have written here, that the price increases every 15 copies sold, capped at a maximum of 200 total slots, after which the price becomes $5,000 to close out new sales. There are also 2 live signal links provided. One described as a high risk account showing a 500% gain. Let's check it out. Okay, so now it seems like it is now 453%. It seemed to have dropped from 558. It got to 564.76, 568. So it got to 568.66 as at 19th May 2026. All right. So then we also have, this is the high risk um signal, and then there is a separate normal risk account link. Let's see that. Okay, this seems to have a slow growth. All right. So going through the key features, the listing specifically states no backtest manipulation, no grid trading, no martingale, and no averaging, with strict stop loss and take profit protection and an approximate 4 to 1, risk to reward ratio. But in safety, built-in safety filters cover news events, spread limits, and slippage um, slippage protection, along with a smart trailing stop. The developer also notes general suitability for prop firm environments, while acknowledging compatibility can vary by firm. Now, one section worth highlighting directly is that the listing includes a clear disclaimer that a stop loss is a normal part of the strategy rather than a system error, that performance should be judged over 3 to 6 months rather than 2 days or weeks, and that periods with no trades at all are expected behavior when the model detects unstable conditions. Now, let us get into the back test that I ran myself. Okay, heading over to my strategy tester right now, and this test actually uh started with an initial deposit of $10,000, and by the end of the test period, the account showed a strong net profit of just under $30,900. So that is quite impressive, right? Let us break down how it got there. And given how strong this is, I want to treat it with the same scrutiny I would apply to any standout results. All right. So this test covered XAUUSD on the H1 time frame from the start of January through mid-July 2026, with history quality at 99%. All right, which happens to line up well with the 3 to 6 months evaluation window that the developer recommends. Now, across 124 total trades, the win rate came in very high at just over 91%. All right, maximum drawdown reached just under 15% on a balance basis and just over 21% on an equity basis. The profit factor came in at 2.37 and the recovery factor was 3.52. Okay. So the average losing trades were notably larger than the average winning trades. We can see that the average profit here was 473.67 and the average loss was 2057.35. The difference is pretty much. Okay. So that actually lines up with the roughly 4-to-1 risk to reward structure the listing describes, because the risk is, in this case, the risk is 4 while the reward is 1. Okay. So fewer larger losses offset by a high frequency of smaller wins. All right. So given how strong this result is, and since the developer's own listing specifically points people toward live signal results as the most meaningful evaluation method, I would recommend cross-checking this backtest against those live signals yourself before drawing firm conclusions, along with running your own extended testing. All right. So looking at the balance and equity curve, we can see that it's pretty straightforward. The balance and equity, we are very close to each other, so there are no very sharp drawdowns, right? Because the balance and equity, they were kind of increasing, together. And there were phases of losses that led to the decline in the balance, but overall it was a steady growth over time. Okay, so who might this EA be suitable for? Based on what we have seen so far, this test came out strong and lines up reasonably with what is described on the listing, though I'll still treat any single strong backtest with healthy skepticism and verify against live results. Okay, as always, no expert advisor is universally suitable, so you should verify against the live signals and test further yourself before considering live use. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.